Since Toyota does not formally manufacture the HiAce Motorhome as a finished vehicle, the exterior will largely rely on the body shop or customizer that converts the Toyota HiAce base. Nonetheless, we may talk about the common external features of Toyota HiAce Motorhome conversions. The basis will continue to be the distinctive boxy form of the HiAce. This maximizes inside room, which is a motorhome's key objective. A high roof made of fiberglass or aluminum is added to many HiAce motorhome conversions in order to increase headroom inside the cabin and provide place for an additional bed or storage area above. Sliding windows or larger side windows are frequently placed to improve interior ventilation and natural light. Certain high-end versions could have panoramic windows. For entrance to the living area, the HiAce's normal sliding doors are often kept in place. For better access, some improvements could include motorized stairs. Depending on the interior design, the back storage space or kitchen and toilet room can be accessed by the single tailgate liftgate or twin rear doors side hinge type. A fiberglass or aluminum extension is added to the back of some bigger conversions to increase the inside space, usually for a bathroom or bedroom area. It is common practice to build a roof rack or a ladder to get access to the roof. Bicycles, storage boxes, and surfboards are among the extra things that roof racks may be used to transport. Some mods include tires that are better suited for different road conditions or swap out the stock rims for more aesthetically pleasing designs. The interior is often planned to make the most of available space and integrate many uses into a single space. This can feature a small kitchen, a folding table, and a seating space that doubles as a bed. Areas for sleeping: there may be fixed beds at the top or back of the cabin, or there may be a sofa or foldable bed in the center. Small kitchen often furnished with a small sink with a water tap, a tiny refrigerator or cooler box, and a 1 or 2 burner stove, gas or portable electric. Some expensive versions could come with a little microwave. One possible addition to the main seating area is a sliding or folding table with seats, storage for clothing, kitchenware, and other travel essentials in the shape of cabinets, drawers, and shelves. The use of underbed and vertical space is frequently maximized. Control panels to keep an eye on power consumption, inverters to convert DC to AC, and extra deep cycle batteries to power home appliances. Certain models could have solar panels installed, roof vents, LED lights inside, and more windows with blinds or shades. To preserve internal temperatures and lower noise levels, add more insulation to the walls, floors, and roofs.